What's up, YouTube? DeFi Generator here again with another video. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the recent volatility seen with Bitcoin in the crypto market, as well as some news that I've come across since our last episode together. So, since our last episode, Bitcoin has been just extremely volatile. It has been volatile to the upside as well as to the downside. I have no idea what's going on. I've heard some things as to what is happening, why it may be happening the way it is, but we can't really be sure as of now. There's still a whole lot of uncertainty. We don't know where Bitcoin is going in the short term, whether it's further to the downside or continue to the upside. However, like I always say in all my videos, does it really matter? Does it really matter where the price of Bitcoin is going in the short term when we know that in the long term it's going to go up? Especially a year out from now when we have our halving, the price of Bitcoin is going to shoot up, in my beliefs, exorbitantly. The halving just decreases the supply of Bitcoin and how much is released any given day, and this is reflected in terms of its scarcity. Bitcoin's about to become way more scarce than it is today, a year from now. So stay tuned. If you buy Bitcoin for the long term, it doesn't really matter if it goes down to 25,000 again, despite all the volatility that we may be feeling right now. I do want to say that it's so weird to be in a market where in the same day you could be feeling total euphoria. You go from total euphoria all the way to dread, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And this market will chew you up and spit you out if you think like that. You really need to be disciplined, and you really need to have control of your emotions. If you let the price of Bitcoin or the price of your favorite crypto coin, affect you, it's going to drive you crazy, and you're probably going to sell. You need to, buy good products, and you need to hold the line, because over time, these products are just going to continue to be adapted and adopted by the general market. So you really got nothing to worry about if you're buying good stuff. I did hear that the U.S. government is selling Bitcoin en masse. I don't know if it's true, but I did hear that, and that could account for the recent volatility to the downside. If the U.S. government is selling their Bitcoin, I think they hold well over 100,000. I don't remember just how much they hold, but it could be a few hundred thousands. So if they decide to sell all that, which they said that they were going to by the end of 2023. That would explain the drop in Bitcoin. However, when we went from 30,000 down to $27,000 per coin, it shot right back up to 30K. Granted, it came down again and it's been going, back and forth, but the price of Bitcoin right now is I think pretty solid. And to buy Bitcoin underneath $30,000 is a great deal. To buy it under 25,000 was even better, and to buy it under 20 was even better. The lower that you can buy Bitcoin, the better. And in the long term, it's only going up. So it doesn't really matter if you buy now or if you wait for it to come down a little bit. It doesn't really matter. That being said, if you buy other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, Doge, you could be putting yourself at a way higher level of risk than just buying Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance has only gone up since 2023 has started. And I don't really see that slowing down anytime soon. We could see it maybe not go up as fast as it's been going up, but I think that it will still go up. So putting your money, if you're going to put your money in crypto, it's entirely possible that Bitcoin is the best place to put your money. However, you got to do your own research. This is the research that I've done. I've come to this conclusion, but you got to come to your own conclusions. In addition to that, I want to speak on the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, getting pranked. An American bankster getting pranked by Russian pranksters. Absolutely ridiculous. I don't know if you guys have heard, but it's all over crypto Twitter. Fed chair Jerome Powell thought he was on call, a Zoom call, with the Ukrainian president, President Zelensky. However, it wasn't President Zelensky. It was just Russian pranksters. And that's all we know. We know that, they're Russian pranksters, but it's entirely possible that these Russian pranksters were not just, stupid teenagers. They could have been something a little bit more dangerous. I don't have any proof for any of the things that I'm saying, but I was a little concerned when I heard that. The fact that the singular man that has control of our entire, monetary supply and the tightness and the easiness of which it comes by can just get bamboozled and fooled by a couple idiots in Russia is scary to me. I don't know what he told them. I know that the transcript was released and that he was, kissing their butts and whatnot. But like, hopefully he didn't tell them anything that was an actual government secret. Because if he did, it absolutely got back to Putin, and that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing for Americans. So to avoid having your money be controlled by an idiot, an American bankster who got pranked by Russian pranksters, it's time to take your money and turn it from the USD into some BTC. That way that Fed Chair Jerome Powell can't be pranked again, and that person won't have control over your Bitcoin wallet. That being said, that's all I have for today's video. If you like the content, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. I really appreciate everyone that watches these videos. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to send it to the Wise Sage Turtle.